Hello, this is Dr. Meena Unarkar. Today I'll be talking about stress. Who does not have stress in life? Beginning from a small kid to elder, everyone has some or other stress. Child has stress of getting things what they want, then they have stress of studies, then comes the elderly people, they will have stress about completing the task that is given to them, then housework stress, then office stress, too much stress. When the stress is a short burst, it's okay because it triggers you to work better. But if the stress becomes continuous, it becomes chronic, then it needs to be taken care of, then it needs attention. For that, few ways of helping in stress is you need to exercise well physically, then deep breathing exercises are good, meditation is good, journaling is good. Journaling, write down your problems. It really helps when you write down your problems. You realize what needs attention, what does not need attention. And then mindfulness. Basically, you should be mindful of what you want in life, which is important for you to pay attention. Like if it is not a thing which does not need too much of your attention, then don't take stress about it so much. Then we need to do stress management. We need to socialize with people. Socializing also helps in reducing the stress. Normally, then when you are really tired of all the stress at home or everything, take breaks, take out, go for vacation. It helps. It helps in reducing the stress a lot. And after doing all these things, still if the stress persists, then you need professional help. Professional help will help you in coming out of the situation. May it be allopathic, may it be homeopathic, may it be a psychiatrist, may it be anything. But please take help and stay safe, stay happy, and don't take stress. Thank you, Dr. Meena Unarkar.